Well, over the past 8 years, Bringing Music to Life has awarded more than 4,200 instruments to more than 200 schools in Colorado. But there's still more work to do, my friends. The 2019 Instrument Drive starts today. If you have an old flute, violin, or trombone sitting around at home, now's the time to make a difference in a child's life. Executive Director Steve Blatt joins me with more. Good to see you, Steve.
Hi, good to see you too.
I love having you on the show every year to talk about the Instrument Drive.
Good to be back.
Explain how it works.
It's a community effort. We ask people to donate instruments they're no longer using, and then we repair them and award them to underfunded schools, of which there are many in Colorado.
Is there a certain instrument that you're most in need of?
Any instrument you'd find in a band or orchestra in a school we can use. And the ones that are in great demand, of course, are the more expensive ones, the tubas and baritones, string basses, but we can really use anything.
Okay, and I want to give you more information here. You see the number at the bottom of the screen, 303-756-3123, but also log on right now and find out more, bringmusic.org. bringmusic.org. How successful was last year's drive?
It was great.
Yeah.
We got hundreds of instruments.
Yay.
We gave out instruments to about 40 schools last year, so it's going along. Yeah.
And I understand this year you actually have support from Brett Mitchell, the Colorado Symphony. So we actually had a chance to hear from him. Let's listen.
Today, you could say that my instrument is the orchestra, but I remember very well the first instrument that I ever had in elementary school. I was in 4th grade and got my hands on a brand new alto saxophone. I'll never forget the experiences that I had very early on with the saxophone when I was just trying to figure out how to make the thing sound. And then once I did that, getting together with other musicians, with my friends, and being able to make music with them. This is an experience that was so crucial, and it's an experience that I'd love for every child to be able to have.
Oh, that's wonderful. What does it mean, Steve, to you to have the support, to Bringing Music to Life, to have his support in the Colorado Symphonies?
It's great. Brett has been amazingly generous with his time. He came to a special event that we had with his wife. He played piano, she sang. He also came to our donation event when all the schools come from all over Colorado in August to get their instruments. Spoke there. They had 10 concerts where they invited audience members to bring instruments before the concert.
Wow, my goodness.
And we were in the audience for that. Lincoln Center in Fort Collins helped us out, doing the same kind of a thing, a little mini drive up there. So we've had a lot of support.
Why do you think music education is so important?
It teaches kids a lot more than notes and scales. They learn life skills really from playing music. Self-discipline, how to listen, how to be part of a team, and it gives them self-confidence and improves their self-esteem, which is especially important at any age.
Yes, and it keeps them out of trouble. It
keeps them out of trouble.
Something to focus on.
It does that.
Have you seen students improve after getting involved with this program then?
Yeah. One big improvement for everybody is that if they want to come to school to take part in band or orchestra, they're in school. They go to their classes. Showing up is half the challenge. And other teachers can see the difference too. They have a lot more confidence in English class, in history. They speak up. You know, that's
cool.
It generalizes, yeah.
Gives them something to wake up for each and every morning, something excited about.
Right.
I'm looking at my notes here, and so if someone is at home and they're watching and they have an instrument but it's not in perfect shape, can they donate it still? Do you repair it?
We are committed to repair everything that comes in to put it in excellent shape. We want a child to have a positive experience, to have their efforts rewarded. And so we will go over every instrument that comes in. Some are beyond help, it's true.
Yeah.
But the ones that can be repaired are repaired, and we'll make sure they're in great shape before we put it in a student's hands.
What's the best way to learn more about the Instrument Drive?
Website. Like everything else these days, just go to www.bringmusic.org and you'll find all about it.
If I don't have an instrument to donate, can I help in another way?
You can help too. The other part of the equation, getting the instruments is great. Having the money to repair them is also important. The average cost of repair is $155, and that's with a discount that we get from our repair partners. So if you can't give an instrument, but you can make a donation to the repair fund.
Thank you, Steve. All right, donate to the 2019 Instrument Drive. All gently used instruments will be accepted now through March 23rd at several statewide locations. Find the nearest one near you to make a financial donation. You can go online to help with instruments that need repairs. Just visit bringingmusictolife.org. bringingmusictolife.org.